Hello, beautiful family in the light. So much love to all of you on this Sunday, May 3rd, my 48th solar return birthday, Earth Day. I'm really earthing this frequency. So much love and gratitude. Just want to give deepest thankfulness to the overwhelming amount of messages that are coming in, birthday wishes, from text to WhatsApp to Messenger, emails. It's so overwhelming, and I'm kind of feeling like mushed, if that's the right word. And Michael has overwhelmed me with 3 days of just so much loving, just opening up to receive all of this vibration. He's made 3 days in a row these diamond heart-shaped things and gifting me with it, from a beautiful massage on Friday night because I needed it for my shoulder, and then yesterday with this almond, with this milk nut making machine that I've been wanting. And today, all these seeds for microgreens, I'm so grateful. These are the little things, the inner nature in me that loves so much. And my mom came today, brought me a beautiful chocolate cake so we can celebrate together. And just so grateful for that. And I have this gift here from my dear sacred sister, Maryam Sardari, that I haven't opened yet. So I wanted to go ahead and open it in front of you. I have a great guess what this is, and I just wanted to make this live because just to have my response here. So let's see. So I'm going to do, this is the card. I'll see it in a second. This is the, ooh, let's see. This is some, I think these are some feathers, Maria. This is something feathers. Ooh, it must be an earring. Let me see. I feel so. Ooh, la la! More feather earrings. She knows we love feathers. Thank you, Maryam John. This is fabulous. It's beautiful. Thank you. And I believe this is, I don't know what this is. So beautiful. So let's see. This is the feather earrings. Oh my goodness. They're beautiful owls. She knows I love these so much. Oh, it's so cute. Let me see. I'm trying to understand. Okay, so this is, I don't know if she made this. Maybe she made it. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Maryam John, thank you so much. That's why I wanted to open it, so she packaged it properly. Thank you so much. I'm going to put it on today. Thank you. And this is her beautiful owl card. She knows I love owl so much. Dear sister, goddess, happy solar return. Wishing you infinite joy and health along with magical year. My secret, my sweet celebrations are sacred, and I celebrate you, beautiful. Enjoy your day, your month, your year. Love you always. Aw, it's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Maryam John. I love this and I cherish this, and I am going to wear this as your beautiful gift for me today. Thank you. Thank you so much. And then this is Michael's mother. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Wow, this is gorgeous. Wow, Susan, thank you so much. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, Saint Germain. Dear honey, wishing you extraordinary, fabulous, amazing everything. Happy birthday. May this birthday give you the freedom, the health, and the joy to pursue your dreams. Love, Susan. Aw, and a check. Susan, thank you so much. So sweet. This is so precious. And I want to show you all the most beautiful gift. Beautiful gift. Thank you so much, Susan. So sweet. Let me bring this over. you that may have seen, these are the microgreen buckwheat and celery and radish and beet, and I mean there are like so many on broccoli, and this is amaranth. I'm so grateful. This is from my love, Michael. I'm so grateful to sprout all of these. He knows how much I love them. I'm so excited. My sons are going to be here now in a minute, and we're going to go walking, hiking. And I'm in my birthday dress today and just taking this all in. Enjoying this. I get to respond to everyone later. I just want to thank you so much. Birthdays are so special and they're so precious, and I have overwhelming amount to go through, and each one I receive just brings a lot of tears to me, and it's so beautiful. We get to celebrate. Today I really sat there with so much gratitude in my prayers, and just gratitude for this now, gratitude for everything that all of us collectively have experience on the earth, individually and together, and going through the different timelines together, and how incredible it is. And I wanted to share that this birthday weekend for me, as I put the video out regarding utilizing my birthday to support a very, very dear friend. And I'm so grateful that $439 was donated. And this $439, I'm matching the $439, and together $80 it will be. I am donating it to this friend, not donating it, just literally gifting a friend who is in need. And I'm so looking forward to this sacred friend experiencing that, because this person really is deserving of it. And it's just to utilize this field and to honor this. And I got to receive this gift for me to give to another one through the necklaces that I had made. So thank you, Neda. Thank you, Kelly, for putting an order for that. And also the star being that I put light language on it, and for Gia for placing an order for that funding that came in with your love gift offering goes right back out to support another one. And I really value and appreciate the way we can utilize our choices for our solar returns, and just this love coming in, and we can just give it right back out to somebody else. And that's been the gift of this whole quarantine, all of this, the gift of Corona. We've been able to come together, unite even greater, help so many with our love, and it's really, really beautiful. And I couldn't be grateful to all of you donated $5, $20, $100. Like, just so grateful to you that I can now gift this to the person that I wanted to gift, because well, you all will see who it is. You'll know it very soon. I'll make a video on that. And anyway, and also I want to share that tomorrow I start my video series, and it starts with no other than Demetrius on HoniB and author speaker healer page. That's the starting it off with gratitude, just a short 15-minute gratitude video for somebody who's been just so generous and kind on our page. And then we're starting all these video series. So I'm so excited for you to join us. That will be at 12 o'clock Eastern on HoniB and author speaker healer page. And today I'm just gonna take in all of this loving energy of SolaReturn. I love being 48. I'm so excited, and it just keeps getting better and better, and Divine's grace is truly grand, truly grand. And I couldn't be more grateful to my love, Michael. Michael, I don't know where you are, but you've been amazing. Just so amazing. Just your preciousness. I have no words. Anyway, wherever he is, he's somewhere. So much love to all of you. Thank you for making my day and bringing so much joy to my heart, my life, and adding, just really adding into my life by your presence, with your friendship, with your light, with your love, and overwhelming amount of emoji loves and the pictures. I'm just so grateful. I'm so touched. So thank you so much. And thank you, Maryam. Thank you, Susan. Thank you, my mom. And thank you to my kids. They're going to be here in a second. And so much love to everyone. Have a beautiful, blessed day, and happy birthday to all birthdays in May, and especially today, May 3rd. I only know one other person, that is Sam's mother, that is sharing her solar return today. عید شما، not عید شما، تولد شما مبارک, and lots of celebration. Have a beautiful, blessed day, everyone. Thank you so much for making my day. I appreciate it so much, and see you all tomorrow.